Nothing adds strength and beauty to a project like a hand-cut dovetail. But all that hard work you put into cutting your dovetails could be all for nothing if you don't clamp it up properly when you glue your box together. I'm Andrew Texera, I'm an American Artisan, and in this week's quick tip, I'd like to show you how to make a clamping call to ensure that you get even pressure over your dovetails. So let me show you. So I have here a dovetail box ready to glue together. The wedge shape of the dovetails will keep everything nice and tight on the face of the tailboard. But here on the pin board where the shoulder is, if I don't get adequate clamping pressure, it won't close and I'll get a glue line. The issue is that when I cut my pins, I cut them a little long so they protrude past the face of the tailboard so I can trim them flush after. But they can get in the way of the clamps. The simple solution is to make a clamping call that fits in between the pins and rests on the face of the tailboard. This allows me to get pressure right over the shoulder so it can close nicely. Let me show you how I laid that out. I've cut a block of wood in length to equal the width of my tailboard. I don't want it longer because then it can get in the way. Bring it right up to the marking gauge scribe, and now I'm going to mark where I want my cuts to be. I want them to allow room for the pins to protrude past the face. And I'll be removing the material here, 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 and here. Let me take it to the bandsaw and make those cuts. So I've gone ahead and cut 4 of these calls. I need 1 for each corner. Before I glue up, I'll add some paraffin wax to it so that when the glue dries, my call doesn't stick to the project. Now let me show you how well this makes the shoulder close. I'll place the call on one side and the other. With a little bit of clamping pressure, my dovetail closes right up. So I won't only have a nice clean face, I'll have a nice clean shoulder. Using a clamping call made gluing this box together much easier. If you'd like to make yourself one of these boxes, you can watch the video by clicking this button. Thanks for watching this week's quick tip. Subscribe for more woodworking quick tips and project videos. And if you found this quick tip helpful, don't forget to click that like button.